Salutations from the days of ostentatious road trips. Introducing the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a revolutionary idea that combines renowned Ford durability with state-of-the-art luxury and technology. Its large custom wheels, angular characteristics evocative of Ford SUVs, changeable LED lighting, and integrated solar panels on the roof for energy efficiency give it an aerodynamic and streamlined appearance at first look. The 2026 Ford Motorhome's futuristic look is a result of its state-of-the-art drivetrain, which is probably based on Ford's most current developments. It may be a strong and efficient V6 EcoBoost hybrid engine or a silent and environmentally friendly all-electric drivetrain, offering a vast range for infinite research. As soon as you step inside, the sleek, high-tech cockpit welcomes you. The dashboard's primary feature is a high-resolution panoramic touchscreen that stretches from driver to passenger and has the newest S&C entertainment system, advanced navigation, and fingertip control for all motorhome functions. An ergonomic steering wheel with integrated controls and a customizable digital instrument cluster ensure a simple and enjoyable driving experience. Premium elements like metal trim, plush vegan leather, and recycled wood accents are combined to create modern luxury. A spacious, comfortable, multifunctional lounge that embraces the open space idea and gets an abundance of natural light from the panoramic windows serves as the main interior area. Modular furniture allows for flexible arrangement. For instance, a soft sofa may be turned into an extra bed, or an electric folding table can be utilized to create a wide eating area. A customizable LED ambient lighting system creates various ambiances, while an inventive air filtering technology ensures the highest quality of air within the cabin. Ford's commitment to sustainability without compromising design is demonstrated by the interior's use of robust and eco-friendly materials. The bedroom in the back offers a peaceful retreat. Excellent sleep is ensured with a high-quality orthopedic mattress on a queen or king-size bed. Large windows with automatic shutters provide complete seclusion or expansive views. Everything is kept orderly with built-in closets, hidden drawers, and underbed storage. A built-in smart TV, USB charging ports, and separate reading lighting enhance the coziness of this bedroom. The clever design of the bathroom makes the most of both space and use. The bathroom has beautiful ceramic tiles and waterproof surfaces, a high-pressure rain shower, a water-saving vacuum toilet, and a designer sink with a sensory tap. Examples of modern and practical features include an LED-lit mirror, hidden shelves for storage, and an efficient ventilation system. The kitchen in the 2026 Ford Motorhome is every chef's dream when they travel. High-end full-size appliances including a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection oven/microwave, a dual-zone refrigerator and freezer, and a compact dishwasher are included. Luxurious quartz surfaces include undermount sinks and pull-out faucets. Ingenious cupboards and storage drawers, such as a separate cutlery drawer and an integrated garbage can, offer a tidy and useful space for preparing delicious meals wherever you go.